Okay, let's roll. Okay, Andrew, Jamie, this is the airbrushing. So I bought this gun and I'm going to email you the spec on it. It has a small cup on top of it where you're going to put the paint, and basically you just have to worry about this trigger. So when you push it, it throws air, and when you start pulling it to the back, it's going to shoot the paint. So basically what you're going to do, you need three products. You need your paint, different pigments that you're going to be using. This is actually a paint thinner, and this is to clean up your gun. So we won't need this right now. We're going to start putting some paint thinner inside, about that much, and we add the paint we want to use in there. That, and we're simply going to stir it. You see it's changing color very quickly. You need it fairly thin so it doesn't clog the gun. And I'm going to use it to do this area here I did on the previous map. So just to try it. So you see if I can do a small line if I want. I have to get rid of some of the stuff here first, but here it is. So we can do small line or bigger line. Alright, so if we get to the map, I'm just going to be generous with it and start covering the area. So I'm looking also back at the previous map I did to know what to do, or I'm looking at the Google map, Google Earth. The nice thing about it is if you mess up somewhere, you can still go back with a different color and actually go over it. Okay, so I think we can cut the video here. Okay, so we just clean up the leftover, we push it back into the paint container, clean up, very simple. Water and a paintbrush. And the nozzle. And then maybe cleaner water. Yeah. Rid of the water, and we take some of the real paint cleaner. Here it is. This is clean. So now we can move to the next color, let's say the green. Again, same process, put a bit of the thinner, a bit of the paint, mix it up. And we're going to do the same thing. So we can go fairly light, like a shadow, and then we can really get to the cracks. Cut it here. Okay, so after we're done the brown and so on, I'm going to add a bit more gray for the Rockies and then a bit more white for the peak of the mountain. So this is what it's going to look like. So roughly the size you see against me, that's the size of the map right now. So it's going to fit on a piece of plywood about 27 inches by 18. And I'm going to epoxy the map to it. If you guys want, I can finish the back plywood with a dark color, and basically it will go into the case. So the case is going to have two grooves where two maps can go in each of the grooves. So this map will fit here, and one can fit underneath upside down, so it won't touch the side, it won't get damaged, and something here, two maps back to back. And we can close basically the box, and it will have a handle there, and you can simply carry 4 maps at the time, and you can also ship it. That's it.